drive price free range hybrid cars, watching what we eat, getting lots of exercise. Evil carbs, get ready to start. Lose 20 pounds, it's who you really are. Abs of steel, no thunder in your thighs. Fried chicken and Finadenne, ooh-wee, go mangge nene. Good Guam cooking, don't care about calories. I might feel a little guilty, cause I know one day it'll kill me, but it gives my baby down a little something extra to squeeze. Don't panic, it's organic. Soybean bacon, Detoxamatic. Almost tastes real if you put a lot of salt. MSG, pesticide free, whole grain goodness for the family. But this body is an engine, this engine needs lots of grease. Bake not fried dressing on the side. We're trying to live forever cause we're scared to die. But if I go tomorrow, my last supper will be fried chicken and Finadenne. Ooh-wee, go mangge nene. Good Guam cooking, don't care about calories. I might feel a little guilty, cause I know one day it'll kill me, but it gives my baby down a little something extra to squeeze. Yes, it gives my baby down a little something extra to squeeze. Viva Malafunkshun! Yee!